how to save video from CapCut to gallery. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily save video from CapCut to gallery. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the CapCut. So when you will open the CapCut, here you can see a new project. So click on new project. So after this you can select any video from your gallery. So after click on add, and when you will click on add, so after this you can edit this video. So after editing, so you can see here export option. So click on export options. So after this, when you will click on export options, you can see your video is being exporting from CapCut to your gallery. So guys, in this way you can export video from CapCut to gallery. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.